would be life would be a lot less interesting without going out and riding hard.
I live my life mainly out of control most of my life, and I feel out of control in the motorcycle. I mean, you're at the mercy of blue-haired women and a bunch of jerk-offs that, don't think about motorcycles, and there's kind of a rush to being on the freeway, and you're going 85 and you're just feeling it. It wakes you up. I find myself being able to think a lot about things that I need to make decisions about. And for some reason, when I'm on the bike, I can get clear.
Yeah, I guess, every time I'm riding a motorcycle and I'm splitting lanes or I'm doing something, I know it's not the smartest thing to do, but there's a certain, you sound goofy saying it, but there is a freedom riding a motorcycle. There is a freedom with having all this power either on your hand or on your foot, and something that you don't answer to anybody or have anything to do with anybody else. Or I guess, we were talking about the outsiders, or I was talking about that whole thing. There's like a rebel thing to it too, It's like we're different than you,
To me, it's like a form of meditation almost. You kind of forget about everything, that's going on in your life and just kind of focus on your surroundings, and you just ride and you just take everything in. Just kind of resets everything, It's really, I think it's refreshing to the soul. You just kind of lose yourself in the moment, And every now and then you look over at your buddy and you smile real big and just keep riding,